Good morning from Waikiki. Where are we going?
Beach.
We're going to the beach. 6:30 a.m. right now. And it's our first full day in Hawaii. This is some of the highlights of our first week in Hawaii. We made the move without deciding on a place to live. So we're going to find a place to live and enjoy all the touristy kind of things at the same time. And just fingers crossed, hope everything goes well. Ooh, that's so pretty. What's the name of this flower? You don't know? Plumeria? It's so pretty. These are plumeria flowers, and there's many plumeria trees all around Waikiki, so you'll find a lot of these flowers on the ground. And time for a continental breakfast.
And another salmon.
These are your typical continental breakfast food like cinnamon rolls and bread. And this is such a cool machine for toasting bread. They also have eggs and sausage, and also yogurt and milk. They also have bananas, oranges, so the healthy fruits, and cereal. So just really typical American breakfast hotel food. And now we're at Ala Moana Center, which is one of our favorite places. And who doesn't like Ala Moana Center? It's a big, huge mall. And believe me, it is big. It has lots of stores and a good food court. Let's eat. Rina's having pho, but there's like ramen and lots of other good food options. And I could probably spend the whole entire day here just walking around and eating a lot of good food. There's lots of cute shops like this one, which is called ゚𝑇�𝆡𝆉𝆡, which is very famous in Japan. And I decided to get some tea for a friend here. And I got a free tea bag as a gift. And another thing about this mall and Hawaii in general is that everywhere we go, there are good spots for taking photos, like this one. Aloha! And another thing, everywhere we go, we see the word aloha. What are we gonna eat from now? Shaved ice. We're gonna have shaved ice here at this store. And this store, Jeju Bing, it's a Korean dessert shop. And their shaved ice is really, really good. A friend recommended this place and we're so happy that we tried it out. Because look at this big bowl of shaved ice. Which do you like? Mango. I like this one. The one on the right is kinako, which is soybean powder with red bean. And the one on the left, it was the mango shaved ice. It's summer break, so the kids don't have school. All we do every day is wake up whenever we want, go outside, enjoy the Waikiki beach area, and then we're hungry. This is at the food court of the Royal Hawaiian Center, and all these sweets, it's from Kulu Kulu. どういう味?
チェリー。砂糖。全部これ色がついて砂糖。
During the day, it's hot, so we spend some time indoors to just cool off. And during the evening, we go out again, and it is so nice. Look at the gorgeous view and the waves. They're just beautiful. You can hear the waves. It's very calming. And now to the left, we see Diamond Head, which you can go hiking, and it's a great hiking. It's very kid-friendly. Right now you need to make reservations to get there, but hopefully we'll also go there someday soon. This is another way the kids spend their time first thing in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning. And this is what we had for lunch. These are pokies from Maguro Spot. 持ち上げて食べたら Very expensive, but very good. This is how much? $30. Is it worth it? Kinda?
It's worth it.
その価値あるか Wow, this is heavy. It's a medium? Large?
Large.
Large size. What is it? Tuna bowl. With lots of toppings.
Yeah.
Looks good. And where are we off to? We're going to go to the port to pick up our car that we shipped from the Bay Area. So now we're heading towards the port using Uber. Kento is in the car sleeping. And now we're in the lobby just waiting for our name to be called to pick up our car. Picking up our car. We get in our car and the very first thing we do is, of course, go sightseeing. So we headed towards Kailua. We're here at Kailua Beach. The sand is so soft and white and the breeze is so nice. Great day to be at the beach. You're all wet. We're back in Waikiki and there's lots of fancy brand name shops. It's fun just to walk around. And this is nighttime. It's Friday night. So where are we heading and where are all these people heading? We're all heading towards the beach to enjoy the Friday fireworks. Look at all these people. Lots of people. The fireworks just started. So pretty. And this is Kaka'ako's Farmers Market. It's open every Saturday morning.
Each chrysalis will turn into a butterfly. So on the box we have a different days, which is forecasted emerging days.
At this farmers market, you can get some really good, sweet, tropical fruits like mangoes and guavas, and some fruits that I don't know the name of, papayas. You can get some yummy desserts, breakfast and lunch, and snack, and everything here. And of course, everywhere you go, there's boba. Boba is popular in the US and also Hawaii and maybe just everywhere in the world. And also sugarcane juice. The lady at the butterfly shop, she actually gave Kento this, maybe because he was staring at it so much. This is a coconut juice shop, and I've never tried this, but I am very interested in trying this. And I think it's time for dessert for the kids. Hi!
Can I have 1, 2 honey cream and
Were you able to order it? Yeah? And we seem to just can't get enough of this shaved ice. Yeah, Mina doesn't want any. Hawaii is a great place for having a wedding. And every Thursday evening, I believe, there is a free hula show. And from now, we're going to go to Kailua and we're gonna go hiking. We're in Lanikai and we're gonna go hiking. We just started hiking. It's pretty steep. We're a little closer now. Look at this gorgeous view. This is the ocean side, and then we have the trail, and then to the opposite side we have the mountain side. And I forgot to take a video of us at the top, but here's a photo. Very photogenic spot. It's a great hike to do with your kids. And we're off to the farmer's market again. We love the farmer's market, or should I say Mom loves the farmer's market. Kualoa. And this is our snack. You just didn't eat at lunchtime. That's why you're hungry now. And so this is our snack. French fries and a classic hamburger. We did lots of walking around, touristy kind of things that the kids enjoy sometimes, sometimes not, and also lots of eating. 上手に食べるね。美味しそうに食べる。Eating our snack outside at Kualo Ranch. Feels nice. At this ranch, they have many tours, but we didn't sign up for one. So we're just here to relax, and hopefully we're gonna come visit this place again to join one of their tours. And the mountain. This is the place where Jurassic Park was taken. We haven't watched Jurassic Park, so we're gonna watch Jurassic Park movie before going on a tour here.